why he's got a new pump on it.
I mean, put that in It might give it a bit of work, it might give it life.
Well, yeah, I'm going to stop the company it's got me 40 minutes driving and you can't do all the best.
Oh, well, I see, yeah. Makes you pulling that.
Yeah. I'll crack them off, see if it makes a difference. If it's got a fair idea, it might be the problem. We've literally got it.
When you get your bonnet off, you say it's the number 1 you replaced?
No, we're about, well, it'll be about number 5 that went on it.
Taking the top off?
Yeah, I've got to take that bonnet off. But the trouble is, John Deere touch were pretty reliable. When they go wrong, they're expensive.
Yeah.
But they work on the fact you don't need to take the bonnet off. Take the ventilator. I'll drive a big tractor, I'll get to half the floor. I certainly won't be putting that back on my own. Cheers. Yeah, well, they'll go off a bit.
You just remember where everything goes.
Yeah.